Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. Guys, first of all, I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my channel, you can see very pretty, very stylish and very amazing looking trendy haircuts, hair color ideas, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, curly haircuts, hairstyles and many more other types of pretty and trendy haircuts. So guys, please watch my video till the end so you can see very pretty and amazing looking short and long haircuts. Guys, if you are fashion lover and you always want to look very pretty, very stylish, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. In my videos, you can take a lot of trendy haircuts and hair color ideas. My videos will be very helpful for the ladies who want to look very pretty and very stylish in every event. You can also make your personality very beautiful and very gorgeous. Guys, you can share my video with your family and friends groups. I hope they will also like and enjoy my video. My video will be very helpful for the ladies who want to look very beautiful. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel so I can make for you more beautiful and more stylish haircuts, hair dye ideas and many more other types of haircuts for beautiful and amazing ladies. Guys, please see the bell icon. Give me your opinions in comment section. Your feedback is very important for me. I always try to follow your instructions, your advices. So please comment me in comment section and support me by sharing my videos with your friends and family groups. Guys, in my video you can see very pretty haircuts. You can see the haircuts of our round face, oval face, square face, and you can choose the haircut according to your face shape. All these haircuts are very popular nowadays. You can also make such type of amazing haircuts by your nearby salons. You can take a screenshot of your favorite one and you can look very beautiful and very stylish in these haircuts. You can also make such type of amazing haircuts and make your hairs very beautiful. You can also see different types of curly haircuts. Curly haircuts also looks very beautiful and pretty. Guys, please subscribe my channel for more beautiful and stylish videos. My YouTube channel is all about haircuts and hairstyles. You can take a lot of ideas of haircuts and can be look very beautiful in these haircuts. Guys, please watch my video till the end. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Goodbye. Take care.